emitter current and the input resistance. Now let's go ahead and start one by one. So first, also we are going to derive the expression for the emitter current and also the input resistance. Now let's see the equation. First, we have a current equation that's given by emitter current, that's given by, or we can say IC. There's a collector current related to emitter current equation, that is IC is equal to alpha times IE, and here the alpha is nothing but current gain factor, current gain factor, and this alpha values almost like 0.99 and to 0.995. So we can also say this is approximately equal to 1. Okay, and if we look at the relationship between, for this is for the DC, and if you look for AC, that's also same. If you say I, actually the total one, I emitter total, because you see it's small I capital E, that is total emitter current, that is equivalent to total collector current divided by alpha, and the total current is given by the DC component and the AC component. So for this one is equal to I DC component plus I AC component, okay, divided by alpha. And we can expand this one furthermore by taking the 1 over alpha outside, and the DC component we keep it as it is. And for the AC component, if you watch my previous video, I derived an expression for it, that is, this can be written as I capital C over VT times VBE. Okay, this is the expression for it. And now if we multiply everything, we get a equation that's gonna look like this. So I emitter, total emitter current, is equal to IC over alpha okay, plus IC over VT times VBE. IC over VT times VBE. Okay, this is the total emitter current, and total emitter current also equal to the AC component and the DC component of it. AC component is capital I capital E, and the actually DC component is capital I capital E. AC component is small I small e. And if you say this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4, if you compare equation 3 and 4, actually 1 and 2, because we don't have any other equation, so let's say 1 and 2. So compare equation 1 and 2. Here if you notice, first we have a DC component, that is this in this equation, this is DC. And if you look at the next one is AC component, that is this whole thing, AC. So we can say AC current, AC emitter current is equal to this whole thing. So I small e, that's the AC component of the emitter current. Okay, I messed up. Where did it go? Okay, I hope this might be. Okay, I keep it this side because it takes a lot of time to adjust it. So this one IE, and we write this one as this one, I capital C over Vt times Vbe. Okay, this is the emitter current equation, and IC over V, and also I forgot the alpha. Okay, there should be an alpha here as well, because when I expand I forgot to put the alpha. Here I had to multiply 1 over alpha for both of them. So this is IC over alpha, this one should be IC over alpha, VB over VT. So I forgot an alpha. Let me use the same color. There should be an alpha right here. It means this equation also has an alpha right here. Okay, and IC over VT is nothing but that's transconductance GM. So you can also write the same equation as GM over alpha times VBE, and this small e. Okay, VBE. Okay, so this is the emitter current equation. Now let's go to the next one. Let's go and continue furthermore. So now we have looked at the current. Now next thing is we want to look at the resistance. And from this equation you can straight away see, like here we have emitter current equation related to voltage, transconductance, and all the things. And Ohm's law says V is equal to I times R, therefore R is equal to V over I. If you rewrite this one in terms of V over I, then this alpha over GM is the V over I. We can write this one here. VBE over I emitter is equal to alpha over GM. Is that it? Let me double check. Alpha over GM, yes. And VB over I is nothing but that is the RE, and that is equal to alpha over GM. Okay, so here we have the resistor equation, and the alpha is almost equal to approximately equal to 1, as we seen before. The range of the alpha is 0.99 to 0.995. We can also say it's approximately equal to 1. So it means this RE also equal to RE also approximately equal to 1 over GM. Okay, and that's basically it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.